So hello everyone, we are in the question set 24. So in the previous video we have discussed about question set 23. So now we are in the question set 24. So we can move to the first task. Find out the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term examination and the class in which he studied. So we have to find out the details of the student, and also we have to find out his class in which he study. So we can select index number and we can select first name, last name, and gender, class name. It should be enough. From we can join student table, and we can join class table on student. These are the common columns. And we can join student exam mark record table on depending on these columns. Now we can enter the condition where condition is the find out the details of the student who got the lowest mark in the subject of science. So first condition is we can use the mark. We cannot use just this mark. To find this mark we have to execute separate query as a subquery. So we can select minimum mark from student exam mark record table and you can join subject table on student exam mark tables uh, subject ID and subject tables subject ID, and we can inner join exam term on depending these common columns. Now where we have to now now we have to enter the conditions where subject name is science, and term name is second term. Subject name is science and second term examination. So the student name is Sachitra Vikram Singh. So now we can move to the question 2. Question number 2. Arrange the marks obtained by all students for the science subject held on this date in ascending order. So we can select mark from student exam mark record table and we can inner join subject on these are the common columns, and we can inner join exam term table on these are the common columns for exam table and student exam mark record tables. And now we can enter the condition where subject name is science, subject name is the science, and exam date is this, and we specially said arrange the marks obtained by all students for science subject held on this date, and we have to arrange these results in ascending order. So we have to arrange this result in ascending order. To do that, we can use this order by. We can use this order by keyword, and after that we have to mention the column name that we are going to get the result, and we have to use this ASC keyword. This means ascending and we can execute this query. As you can see, the result has been search has been given, and we can move to the third question. Find information of all students who obtained marks between 40 and 80 in the mathematics subject of the examination held on this date. So find the information of all students. So we can find, select index number, and index number and first name, last name, and mark should be enough from student. We can inner join student exam mark record, on these are the common columns for both tables, and we can inner join subject on. These are the common columns, foreign key and primary key columns, and we can again inner join exam term on. These are the common columns, and now we can enter the condition where subject name is mathematics and exam date is this, and mark marks must be between 40 and 80. So we can use this between keyword, and after that we can and so between 40 and 80. This is the query, so let's execute this query. So result has been given, so we can move on to the fourth question. Arrange the above result in descending order. So we can use the order by keyword, and after that we have to mention column name, and we can use this desk keyword. It means descending. So we can execute this query. As you can see, the result has been given. So that's all for question set 24. We will meet again with question set 25. Until then, goodbye.